Hello, today we will be learning the sound. This is the shirt sound spelling card. The sounds in the middle of shirt are Listen. Sh, t, shirt. The sounds can be spelled with the letters I-R as in shirt, E-R as in her, U-R as in fur, and O-R as in worm. Say the sound with me. I'll say as I write the different spellings several times. As I write them and say them, I would like for you to practice saying the sound with me. Er, 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 er. Now we will be building and blending words that have the sound. Please listen as I model the first word. This is the letter G. It stands for G. I and R together say L stands for L. If I put those sounds together, they make the word girl. Girl. On the next words we do, I would like for you to say each sound with me. I will give a few seconds for you then to blend the word all on your own. The letters are G, E, R, M. Notice that G followed by an E will make this a soft G sound. So it will say J, J, M. The word is germ. Our next word is spelled C-U-R-B. Let's sound it out. Herb. The word is curb. Here comes our last word. It is spelled W-O-R-L-D. I will sound it out with you, and then you need to blend it all on your own. World. World. Now it's your turn. In your packet, complete the phonics practice activity.